In a recent post, I mentioned that Janet and I were considering cutting the cable cord. Well, I'm pleased to announce we've done it. Sort of. I'll explain in a moment. But first, check out the recipe I created below for cioppino. Cioppino is an Italian seafood stew. It's a complicated recipe, but well worth the extra effort. And also check out today's featured property, a beautiful home here on Goodhouse Road in my own neighborhood where I live. It's a beautiful property. So after noticing that our cable bill kept rising and rising, Janet and I said there's got to be a better way to obtain the services that we get from cable. Our bill at that point had reached about $226 a month. And that's without any added programs or special features to it. So I discovered that I can replace cable television with a television service called Hulu. Hulu is a streaming service. It's similar to Sling TV or Amazon Prime. I could replace cable telephone with a service called Ooma, but that I needed to keep internet service, of course, for the internet, but both Hulu and Ooma work on the internet, so I needed to keep that portion of my cable service. Ooma costs me $5 a month, Hulu is $40 a month, and cable internet is $76 a month, or $121 per month. That represents a savings of $105 per month. Times 12 months is $1,260 a year. That's a significant amount of money. To obtain my new services, I did need to buy some equipment. Ooma cost about $100 for the equipment. Fire Stick, I needed a Amazon Fire Stick to make streaming television work. That was about $40. And many televisions nowadays come with that service built in already, so you may not even need to purchase that equipment. But that's $140 for the equipment, which of course I received back in about a month and a half worth of savings. So well worth the investment. Let me show you what Ooma looks like. That's Ooma. It sits right next to the telephone, connects by a cable in the back. Really a simple piece of equipment, doesn't take up much room at all. So if you are interested in the idea, So if you are interested in the idea of cutting the cable cord, feel free to call me, send me an email, text me, whatever. I'll be glad to share my experiences with you. Thank you and have a great day.